All this talk about deportations brought something else to mind. I want to see what y'all think about this. You have to imagine the government knows this, right? Since 1999, the white American population has been in decline. More deaths than births every single year. Now you'd think something like that would impact policy, but instead, all we hear is, get rid of all the Mexicans. Let's look at the numbers. This is straight from the CDC. White non-Hispanic population. 1.8 million births, 2.5 million deaths. That's about 700,000 more deaths than births every year. I wonder if that affects the creation of policy. Now, the Hispanic or Latino population, almost 1 million births, roughly 300,000 deaths. That's a net gain of around the 700,000. The same amount white America is losing. Again, I wonder if that affects the creation of policy. Here's the kicker. In 2016, for the first time in U.S. history, whites experienced natural decrease. In 1999, plus 393,000 natural gain by 2016, 39,000. White Americans were then 77.7% of all deaths, but just 53.1% of births. So tell me, white people, y'all dying? Is it stress? Is it birth rates? Is it karma? Has the universe come to collect? Y'all worried about being replaced. But the numbers say you're replacing yourselves with silence. Like what you just heard. Follow for more. Drop a comment. Stitch it. Share it. Subscribe to Heru on YouTube. Let's talk about what's really happening.
Kojomati is a truth seeker, storyteller, and guardian of ancestral memory. Through Afrocentric storytelling, political insight, and spiritual clarity, he challenges false histories and reclaims what was stolen. Join the movement, like, share, and help him reach his first 500 subscribers. Subscribe to the Heru on YouTube.